Well, hello, and welcome back to today's video. Welcome to today's video. If you watched our previous build battle videos, you'll know that in the last one, we fought the Wither. And nothing good happened from that. Except, all this weirdness is now gonna stop. Except we kind of have to make it stop. By repairing it, because it's just gonna keep growing until I get rid of it. So we're gonna be repairing the camp. Patching up some of these holes that were in the boundaries. Oh, my eye's been twitching all day. These look a little random. Anything else? I mean, that was the main area we were in. I guess it could have hit, like, far away. If we were in the sky and it was aiming away. But I don't think that happened. But the main thing that we're gonna have to repair is camp. Which is going to take a while. Because of this mess. We're gonna have to do something with you. Wait, all this? Yeah. Which I find interesting. Wait, if I just had a great idea. Yeah. No, apparently not. Does this work? No. It only goes through the first thing. Doesn't have to be a block. I find that very interesting. So along with repairing camp, if we have time, I was going to change our bunker, which was kind of themed around this whole infection that was happening at camp, so might have to change that. Cause that's over. Kind of. In a way. Actually, let's go see if we can just grab some of this. Just gonna fly up and see what we can find. We were really high up. Can withers despawn? Yeah, this is about how high we were. Maybe even higher. Like, I don't know where it could have gone. Down to the ground. I see the sky. I mean, I see the clouds. I am preparing for landing. That did not work. I really thought I could do that. Anyways. Take that off. And let's finish getting this place back to normal. And in case any of you, and by you I mean literally nobody, because nobody watches my videos. Actually, I have 12 subscribers. What am I talking about? There's gotta be somebody. At least one person. But if one person, or maybe multiple, if anybody is watching these videos and is wondering why we don't have a Dark Gamer in any of these, even though he's now basically part of the channel, if you didn't know, it's because he is only going to be with us because he dies every other day on possibly Thursdays and mainly Fridays and Saturdays. So he's dead every other day of the week. Hopefully that clears everything up for you. Any further questions can be down in the comments. Except for why he's dead, I can't exactly tell you that. That's private. I feel like this should get shaved. It doesn't really match the rest of the hill. It's better. Oh, we're only at 6 minutes and we got like half of it done, so maybe we will have time for the I can't speak today. Time for the upgrade of the bunker. Not the bunker, the secret hideout. Because I really like how it turned out. And I feel like it has potential. Okay, I think they changed how Minecraft works. Because I used to be able to do this. I don't have to be precise, like it would still go. So they must have changed it. Or maybe I'm just a noob at creative Minecraft because I've been playing so much survival with our world. Why are there so many flowers over here? Maybe I could upgrade our pond too. Poor little pond. He didn't want to be hurt. He didn't want to be part of this. He got pulled into this. And so, who cares about it? Pond is very, very pond-like. What if pond is... Oh, I just had an idea. The secret base can be where we store... You know what. Or maybe you don't know what. But it's an item that is banned. I want to make this a bean. Because that's what it looks like. The bean pond. The last little post. And now, let me get rid of this gravel. It doesn't look very good here. And now, we're all back. Except for this part. Looks like it needs some rounding. Oh, found a wither spot. Perfecto. What if... Okay, I just had an idea. We have the triple and... I don't know how to... I don't know what to call it. I just have an idea. It's not a very well thought out idea. Kind of just a spark. It was a quick vision of what it could look like at spawn. I am not talking. Silence is key, though. That's the truth. Probably gonna upload this on Thursday. Anyways. So here's my idea. Did I clearly not envision this correctly? It can still work. But clearly I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, first thing is the bridges of destiny. Okay, so this... I really have no idea what I'm doing. I have an idea, and that's it. Just an idea. And now maybe some stairs? Yeah, okay, I think this is good. Now I gotta make some posts on each side. Okay, I have no idea how I'm gonna do this gate part. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know how to do this. Where's this good? I feel like it's better without these. Yeah, I like this. How's it look? I feel like it's too holy, which I think I can fix. There's a way to do it. Oh yeah. What? Clearly not. Maybe what we do is we just get rid of some of these. We don't need so many. Is that it? I mean, that looks better, I think. Actually, I don't know now. Ooh, I have an idea, texturing. I mean, obviously we can't really waterlog this, but I think that's gonna look better. I like this, I like this. I think it's turning out good. So now we just gotta make main camp and then whatever, what else should I do here? I don't even know, I just made it. I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, first off, I think what we need is paths. I think that's good. So this is where we're gonna have the campfire of destiny. Which we will now upgrade to the better campfire of destiny. Wait a minute. I just realized if I put a campfire here. Okay, hold on. You can't place a campfire on a campfire. Very, very interesting. That's something I did not know. Anyways, Campfire. Perfect. Now we gotta add the benches. Which I don't know the exact size of. So this is gonna be a 4. This is gonna be a 3. This one looks good as a 5. This one's also gonna be a 4. But here. And this one's going to be a 4. Is that good? Hold on. These ones need to go back a little bit, I think. Can I still do the parkour? Ooh. Or do I add this one? Because I feel like that one needs it. Hold on, wait, is that possible? Okay, no, I just did that wrong, yeah. Definitely possible. Okay, I like that. First off, let's get this path in here. Hold on. Okay, I am not talking a lot. I'm just trying to think of how I want this. And I like how it's turning out. I think I really like it. Okay, I think that's good. Let's relight the fire that I did not mean to set out. There we go. I'm wondering if we should use spruce for the bridge. Well, but I'm gonna end it for today's video. I have to go somewhere. So I guess I will see you in the next one. This is a good temporary camp. It's gonna need some improvement, but we're at the 24-minute mark, and I have to go somewhere. And for my one viewer viewing this stream, thanks for viewing. It's gotta be the same person. I'm confident it is. If it's multiple people, I would be really surprised. Anyways, I will see you in the next video. If I'm probably gonna post this the day after I'm recording it, so I have a video tomorrow. But I will see you next time.